Hi everyone on YouTube, this is Geoff from geoffmobile.com. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Geoff, the 360 Chef. Today's recipe, we're going to be making a beef, tomato, and Acini de Pepe soup. Acini de Pepe is a small pasta that is really delicious. So please come a bit closer to have a look at the ingredients for today's recipe. We've got some lean ground beef, a can of diced tomatoes, some bay leaves, the Acini de Pepe pasta, some diced onion, some chopped carrots, and some celery, and a bit of salt. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the Instant Pot onto saute mode, and we're going to wait for that to heat up. When the Instant Pot is hot, we're going to add our ground beef into the pot. And I'll also add a pinch of salt. So we're going to brown this meat in the saute mode of the Instant Pot. Now that the meat is browned, I'm going to add the onion, the celery, and the carrots, and saute that for 3 or 4 minutes. Next we're going to add the can of tomatoes. We'll add the chicken stock. Give that a stir. We'll scrape the bottom, make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom. Add 2 bay leaves on top. Seal the lid and put it on the soup setting for 35 minutes. So as you can see, the steam is starting to come out of the Instant Pot. That's a good sign. That means it's coming to pressure. Once it's sealed at the top, you'll see that that valve rises to the top and the steam stops coming out. At that point, the pressure starts building in the pot, and eventually it'll reach its desired pressure. Once it reaches the desired pressure, the Instant Pot will beep, and then it will start counting down from the time that you set, which in my case was 35 minutes on the soup setting. Well, you can see that the valve just rose to the top, and now it's starting to build up the pressure inside the pot. In a moment, you'll hear it beep, and then it'll be coming to cooking cycle for 35 minutes. Alright, the Instant Pot just beeped, and now you can see that it's counting down from 35 minutes. After 35 minutes is up, we're going to do a quick release of the pressure and add the pasta and cook it under pressure for another 6 minutes, and we'll have our delicious soup. So the Instant Pot just beeped, it finished its 35-minute cycle, and now it's still pressurized in the pot. I'm going to do what's called a quick release to release the pressure. So basically I'm going to just turn the valve and make the steam come out. Pressure's still coming out, but it's going to be all released pretty soon, and you can start smelling the delicious soup inside. So the pressure valve just popped down. That means it's now safe to open, but it is very hot still, so I recommend using oven mitts to open up the lid. You can see the delicious soup is boiling away there. I'm going to dump in the pasta and give it a stir. I'm going to put this under pressure again for 6 minutes on manual high pressure. So close the lid up, set that pressure valve, and set it at pressure cook for 6 minutes. That will make the pasta all cooked inside the soup. The Instant Pot just beeped and now it's counting down from 6 minutes. Alright, 6 minutes are up. The Instant Pot is finished cooking. And now I'm going to do another quick release of the pressure, and this time it'll be all ready to eat. The pressure valve just popped down, so I'll open the lid. It's really boiling away there. Using the oven mitts, I'll take it out of the Instant Pot so it doesn't cook anymore. Give it a stir. When I remove the bay leaves, so I got one of the bay leaves right here. So now the soup is ready to serve. Looks really good. Looks really good. I'll scoop some of the soup into a bowl so I can serve it. Looks really nice. Alright, this is the taste test. See how it tastes. Looks amazing. Very hot. It's delicious. Well, thanks very much for watching geoffmobile.com, the 360 Chef. Hope you'll try this recipe. I'll put the ingredients list below. You can try it out. For more recipes, please visit geoffmobile.com or subscribe to me here on YouTube at Geoff Mobile on YouTube. Hope you have a great day, and bye-bye for now.